Alright, y'all, so it wouldn't be a comparison video if we wasn't doing a nice little ride along. So let me give y'all a full POV experience. Only 34%, I'm tripping. Really got a whole charger right there. Anyways, off rip. Put in reverse, you hear like a sound. One thing that y'all gonna see in my stage one, y'all see that backup camera? It's only on this side. In my stage two, it's like the whole screen fills up. And the reason is because this one only has the rear backup camera. The other one has about 8 cameras. So it's on the sides, rear, front, whole bunch. So first thing first, I'm driving that auto. I need to put this thing in at least sport mode. There's your drive mode options right there. Pops open this screen. We're in auto, so that's old sport. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Press auto, is gone, right? It's a huge difference as far as sound. If you don't want sound at all, like auto, you get a little sound, but watch this. No sound. This thing is quick, man. Responsive. That's one thing everybody says about electric cars. They're extremely responsive. Very true. This one, extremely true. This one's extremely true. You got 670 horsepower, all-wheel drive. What can you expect, you know? So right now it's in track, so it's loud, giving you that electric. Oh, let me slow down, y'all. I had to slow down, restart, you guys. So yeah, right now I'm in track on the highway. I'm going 60. It's pretty responsive. Put it back in auto. No sound. Still responsive, but no sound. Put it back in track. The car, I can tell, like if I'm in auto, it's just gliding, right? Like even off the gas. But when you put it in track, it's like, you know how you're on your paddle shifters or you're on first, second gear, and it's like you're towards, you know, the top of your RPMs. That's how it feels like. It's like dragging it down, like it's trying to slow it down. And it does have paddle shifters, by the way. So let's see. I've never used them. I just downshifted, so I'm assuming it's supposed to do something. But yeah, pretty much you guys know electric cars is just one gear. So Dodge did a pretty good job in trying to mimic it. But at the end of the day, it's just one gear. So it is what it is, you know. And that's something that you just kind of get used to. It's like I ain't gonna say a learning curve. It's just something you get used to. Because definitely when I go from my EVs to my Hellcat, it's a big difference. And especially like in the braking, I don't know if this is like different type of braking braking technology, because it feels like the pressure is different. Like it's like breathing. I don't know. It's weird, but it's good. Like this thing is like 5,700 pounds, so the brakes are damn good. It stops on a dime, but it's just, I don't know. It feels different. It feels different. So that's why I said getting electric cars. So I don't know what the hell that beeping is, but I love it, you guys. I love this thing.